Hey everyone, my name is Niranjan Londe and I'm from Colossus Security, and today I'm going to share with you 5 quick, easy, simple business security tips that you can implement right away to boost your business premises security. Install high quality locks. The first step is to make sure that you have installed high quality locks on all your doors and all your windows. This is your first line of defense. Do not skip on this. Make sure that you have installed high quality deadbolts and secure locking mechanism. Use of a high quality camera system. The second tip is to use a high quality camera system both inside and outside your premises. Not only a high quality camera system deters an incident, but they also provide actual footage when an incident occurs. Make sure that you have placed the camera system both inside and outside your premises, covering all the exit points and all the entry points. The third tip is to use an impeccable access control system. Access control system allows access of certain individual to certain high sensitive areas. Use of keycards, biometrics and readers can help you facilitate the same. Make sure that your premises are well lit. The fourth tip is to make sure that your premises are well lit. Burglars are less likely to target a small business surrounding if they see that the premises are well lit. Use motion sensor light to save on energy while enhancing your security. The fifth and the final tip is to make sure that you regularly update your security policy and your staff is also aware about it. Make sure that your staff is well trained and well aware about the security system around them. Regular drills can help everyone be safe in case of an emergency. Hey everyone, if you have liked this video, do not forget to like and comment on this video, and also let us know what kind of video would you like us to create next.